When it comes to your criminal case, an attorney's reputation can make a big difference. Frank C. Walker, II, a criminal defense lawyer from Western Pennsylvania, explains that over the years, lawyers build relationships with judges, prosecutors, and law enforcement. This reputation affects how others see the attorney in court. A good reputation means the lawyer is known to be prepared, knowledgeable, and willing to fight hard for clients. Prosecutors may listen more carefully to a lawyer they respect because they know the lawyer understands the law and the facts well. Judges also notice attorneys who act professionally and respectfully in court. This respect helps the attorney negotiate better deals and sometimes get lighter sentences for clients. It can influence the whole process, from plea talks to trial outcomes. So, choosing a lawyer with a strong reputation is important because it can directly impact the results of your case. Remember, it's not just about the law. It's about how others in the legal system view your lawyer, and that can help protect your rights and freedom. Trust with judges. An attorney's reputation also builds trust with judges, which can be very important for your case. Frank C. Walker, Lee highlights that judges want to see lawyers who are professional, respectful, and well prepared. When a lawyer consistently shows these qualities, judges learn to trust them. This trust means judges may listen more closely to the attorney's arguments and give them more credibility in court. It can influence decisions about bail, motions, and even sentencing. A judge who respects your lawyer may be more willing to consider alternative punishments or leniency when appropriate. Building trust takes time and experience, and it comes from the lawyer's history in the courtroom. A lawyer who knows the local judges and understands their expectations will better represent you. So, having an attorney with a solid reputation who has earned the judge's trust can increase your chances of a fair hearing and a better outcome in your case. Influence on prosecutors. An attorney's reputation plays a crucial role in how prosecutors approach your case. According to Frank C. Walker, II, prosecutors are more willing to negotiate and listen when they respect the defense lawyer. This respect comes from the lawyer's knowledge of the law, preparedness, and experience in handling similar cases. When a prosecutor knows that your attorney is serious, organized, and knowledgeable, they are less likely to push for harsh charges or maximum penalties without good reason. Instead, they might consider plea deals or reduced charges because they trust your lawyer will effectively argue the case if it goes to trial. The reputation also helps in negotiations during the pre-trial conference and plea bargaining stages. Prosecutors tend to be more reasonable and open to compromise with attorneys who have a history of professionalism and strong advocacy. Frank Walker emphasizes that this respect is built over years of working with prosecutors and law enforcement. When an attorney has a positive reputation, they can point out weaknesses in the prosecution's case, making the prosecutor rethink their approach. This can lead to better outcomes, such as lesser charges, lighter sentences, or even case dismissals. Having a lawyer with a strong reputation can protect you from unnecessary penalties and increase your chances of a favorable resolution without going to trial. This influence comes not from favoritism, but from mutual respect earned through professionalism and skill. In short, your attorney's reputation with prosecutors can be a powerful tool in negotiating your case and safeguarding your future. Courtroom respect. Courtroom respect is a key benefit of having an attorney with a strong reputation. Frank C. Walker, II, explains that judges, prosecutors, and court staff pay attention to how an attorney behaves in court. A respected lawyer is seen as professional, prepared, and serious about their work. This respect helps the attorney be taken seriously during hearings and trials. When a lawyer shows respect to everyone in the courtroom, others are more likely to treat their client fairly. Respect in the courtroom can lead to smoother proceedings. Judges might be more patient, and prosecutors may be more willing to negotiate. It also shows that the attorney is committed to fighting for their client's rights. Building this respect takes time, as it comes from consistent behavior and a positive history in court. An attorney who is known for respecting the court earns trust and credibility, which benefits their clients. Ultimately, Courtroom respect for your lawyer helps create an environment where your case can be heard fairly and professionally, improving your chances of a good outcome. Better negotiations. An attorney's reputation greatly improves their ability to negotiate on your behalf. Frank C. Walker points out that prosecutors are more willing to listen and make reasonable offers when dealing with a lawyer they respect. A well-known attorney with a strong reputation can use their experience and knowledge to negotiate better plea deals, reduced charges, or lighter sentences. This is because the prosecutor trusts that the attorney will be prepared and ready to fight if a trial is necessary. Good negotiations often mean avoiding a lengthy trial and reaching an agreement that benefits the client. This can save time, stress, and sometimes money. A respected attorney knows how to highlight weaknesses in the prosecution's case and use that to secure favorable terms. Having an attorney with a strong reputation gives you an advantage in the legal process. Their skill in negotiation can make a significant difference in the final outcome of your case. So, choosing an attorney known for effective negotiations can protect your rights and reduce the impact of criminal charges. Experience counts. Experience is a major part of an attorney's reputation and greatly impacts your case. Frank C. Walker, Civil explains that attorneys with years of practice have seen many cases and understand the complexities of the legal system. Experienced lawyers know how to prepare a strong defense, spot weaknesses in the prosecution's case, and use legal procedures to protect your rights. They are familiar with the local courts, judges, and prosecutors, which helps them navigate your case more effectively. This experience allows them to anticipate challenges and plan strategies that less experienced attorneys might miss. They also know how to handle different stages of the case, from bail hearings to trials and appeals. Frank Walker stresses that an experienced attorney can better manage your expectations and provide clear guidance throughout the process. Ultimately, choosing a lawyer with a solid reputation built on experience means you have someone who knows how to fight for you and increase your chances of a positive outcome. Client confidence. An attorney's reputation also builds confidence in their clients. Frank C. Walker, ISY emphasizes that knowing your lawyer is respected and experienced helps you feel more secure during a difficult time. When you trust your attorney's skills and reputation, you are more likely to follow their advice and stay calm throughout the legal process. This confidence can reduce stress and help you focus on what you can control, like cooperating with your lawyer and staying out of trouble. A good lawyer keeps you informed and honest about your case, so you won't be surprised by unexpected outcomes. This transparency builds trust and makes you feel supported. Frank Walker reminds us that when clients have confidence in their attorney, it creates a strong attorney-client relationship. This relationship is important for effective communication and the best possible defense. In short, an attorney's reputation not only affects the legal outcome, but also how comfortable and supported you feel during your case. Thanks for watching! If you want the best chance in your legal battle, your attorney's reputation matters more than you think. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community for more insights like this. What do you think? Can a lawyer's reputation really make or break your case? Share your thoughts below. We'd love to hear your stories. And don't miss our next video. How much influence does your lawyer have on sentencing? Stay tuned.